Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel CAD NEST. Myself Allauddin here. I'm a CAD engineer in a CAD NEST. So let us discuss about an Revit topic. Okay, let's see this one, how to make a walkthrough video. So how we are going to make a walkthrough video? Like in our floor plan, go to view option, take in a walkthrough option. If I take this walkthrough, now here you can see this one as walkthrough offset from the level 1 is showing how much offset eye level you wanted. You can select from this. Now I make this in 2300, enter. Now I'll draw one path here. Suppose I'm just going to draw the path here. So how the path you are going to draw, in that form only the walkthrough will shows. Now what I'll do after creating the path here, so now you can see this option called edit walkthrough, that is edit walkthrough. Click on edit walkthrough. If I click on edit walkthrough, then you can click on open walkthrough. So if you want to take in a first frame, then you can see the frame 300 by 300. Now I'll just make it to 1. Once if I make 1, now what you can do here, so if you want to increase the frame here, you can increase the frame also. After this, what you can do here, you can just keep it realistic. So keep it realistic. After this, edit walkthrough again, then click on open walkthrough. Once if I click on open walkthrough, now you can see this one, the walkthrough will get run. If you want to make changes on this again, you can next